and welcome to JT News, where your questions about manufacturing are answered. Now, for today's question, what's so cool about manufacturing? We'll switch over to Danny to help us answer this question.
Thank you, Gianna. Now, to answer this question, what's so cool about manufacturing, we need to go to a manufacturing facility, and that facility is BTM. Located in Jimthorpe, Pennsylvania, BTM Incorporated are industrial precision machine specialists for high-quality, short and medium run jobs. They have been serving a variety of industrial customers for over 35 years. BTM uses conventional milling and turning equipment for machining short runs of parts up to 22 inches in diameter, as well as prototype machining, as well as being able to create low-volume orders as small as 5 parts. BTM may be located in a small Pennsylvania town, but their parts have spanned around the globe.
BTM manufactures precision machining parts mainly for the pump and valve industry.
So we do a lot of machining work for the pump industries and occasionally the electric drive industries. It's always something new every day. It's never stagnant.
The technology keeps on improving.
Technology is constantly evolving.
3D printing and things, they're doing that with metal.
It advances rapidly with changes in technological advancements.
And it is the wave of the future.
There's advancements every single day, and I really do believe that a lot of the newer machines are good advancements.
Well, what's so cool about manufacturing is it's always something different.
There's nothing that's not cool about manufacturing.
I'd say what's honestly so cool is the amount of things that you can make and you can do on just one machine alone.
I think it's cool watching these machines and how they make these certain parts.
An idea can be changed into reality.
It's something, oh, I've never seen this before. It's something, ooh, what can we do here? Can this tool do something better than the previous one? It's a new exciting thing every day.